It's the worst one I've seen in the north like that in many, many years. Of course, Florida always gets them, but nothing like that up there, I don't think, because it's so many people live there in such a close area.
I think it's tragic, and I also think it's good that the governor or the mayor one that's down there and got out there and helped his people out. That was good.
I feel sorry for all the people there in the north and everything. I just wish I could give them something to help them out with.
Oh, it's terrible. We have a daughter over there, is 38, and she's a doctor, and she's been evacuated up to New Jersey, and she hasn't able to return home yet. So I think it's very devastating, and my prayers are with everyone.
I think it's devastating to everybody in all those states. My prayers are with them, my daughter especially.
I think it's just the very sad tragedy, and I hope that everybody gets on their feet soon. I know it's like what it feels like. We had a house burned down, so we know what it's like to start over.